Hello everybody and welcome back to the latest episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for Reading, so let's begin. Reading is the 9th busiest station in the UK outside of London, and the 2nd busiest interchange station outside of London, with over 3.8 million passengers changing trains at the station annually. In 2018/19, the station had 17.081 million passengers pass through it. It has 15 platforms. It's 36 miles down the line from London. And from 2009 to 2015, the station had a big refurbishment. And I like the new refurbishment because all the shops are in the bridge, so you can get yourself some hotel chocolate on your train journey at Reading. Don't really know why that's useful. And there's an upper crust which has gone bust. So on that terrible disappointment, it's time to end. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you next time.